Hello. So this is a question which says that you are given an integer and you can actually swap two digit at most once to get the maximum valued number. It's very simple actually. So suppose you have this number and you just need to give the maximum number that you can get by exactly one swap actually. So exactly one swap, or even you can even you may not swap if it is already the maximum number. Yeah. So for this number, obviously, the result is 7236 because what we have done, we have just brought up this 7, which is the highest digit from 0 to 7, I mean from 0 to 9, and we just brought it at first location. Now, how to approach this question? At first instance, it seems that we will basically traverse this number, and whenever we get the maximum number, we will just put it at first location. But that's not the case actually. So suppose you have this scenario where the number is 7236. So the result of this, suppose it is the input of this. What do you think? What shall be the result of it? So the result of this will be 7632. We swapped across this location. So we stored the elements in maxip. Now we'll go from left to right. So when you go from left to right, we expect the elements are in this order, as in maxip. 7 is there. Okay. Okay. Now we came here. We see 6 is not there. Now what we do, whenever this condition arises, we traverse from right to left and try to find out what is the position of this element. So we found out, while traversing from right to left, we found out the position of this element is this one, right? So if you take the indexes, it's 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we found out the element which we are expecting at location 1 is at location 3. So we swap them. So after swapping, what is the result? 7, 6, 3, 2. As we are allowed only one swap, this is our result. Now, let me try to explain the code. So suppose we have this 7 2, sorry, why I'm putting commas, 7236, right? So we basically at this step we put each of this element in maxip. Now in the maxip we have 7632. Now we create a list of the original element that we had. It's basically 7236. Now we go from left to right and pop every time we pop one element from maxip. So first time we popped 7, right? And this condition doesn't it doesn't match. So again we go at this location, basically at this location we go at this location and we pop 6. Now we see that 6 is not equal to 2. Now what we do, we go from right to left in the original array in this direction and try to find out what's the position of 6. So we figure out the position of 6 is this, right? So as per the question, the outer loop was j and the inner loop was I. So we have j equals to 1 and I equals to what? 0, 1, 2, 3. I equals to 3. So we swap at these two locations actually, and we break out from the loop, and also we set the value of flag equals to true. And what's this flag? This flag is actually indicator whether we need to continue the outer loop or not. If it's true, we break out from the outer loop as well. So once this condition is reached and we perform this operation, we broke out from the outer loop as well, and we got the result after swapping at index I and 3. So our result 1 and 3. So our result is 7, 6, 3, 2. And at this step, we are actually um, creating the integer from this list, which is 7, 6, 3, 2. Thank you, and you can find the code in the description box.